Hello everyone and welcome, and it's wonderful to connect with all of you in today's video. Join me as we explore the immaculate beauty, the gentle fragrance, and the profound meanings that the lotus blossom holds. This will be a calm and serene journey back to peace amidst the hustle and bustle of life. The history of the lotus stretches back millennia, rooting it deeply in ancient civilization. The lotus is believed to have originated in tropical Asia, primarily in India, before spreading rapidly across China, Japan, Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, and even northern Australia. As Buddhism flourished from the first millennium, the lotus became the quintessential religious symbol, representing enlightenment, purity, and transcendence. Today, the lotus is revered as Vietnam's national flower, embodying the nation's resilience, beauty, and noble spirit. The lotus is a perennial aquatic plant perfectly adapted to shallow, muddy waters in lakes, ponds, and slow-moving river areas. They possess the remarkable lotus effect, an advanced self-cleaning, water-repellent mechanism. The large standing leaves are crucial for photosynthesis and shading the water. They emerge gracefully above the water, usually blooming in the summer months, June to September. Crucially, the lotus is a thermal regulator. It can maintain its core temperature even in a cool environment, a biological trait designed specifically to attract its pollinators. While capable of self-pollination, the lotus primarily relies on cross-pollination carried out by insects like bees and beetles, who are drawn in by the flower's fragrance and internal warmth. The value of the lotus lies in its complete utility. Every part, from the petal to the root, is utilized. The white lotus is especially prized for its ultimate expression of purity and perfection, the concept of rising from the mud, untainted. The dry stamens and grains of the flower are used to perfume the most exquisite Vietnamese delicacy, lotus-scented tea, used to aid in detoxification, reduce blood fat, and soothe stress. The bitter green germ found inside the seed is highly valued as an anxiolytic and for lowering blood pressure. The lotus root is rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and iron. In Eastern medicine, the root is considered sweet and neutral, used to enrich the blood, stop bleeding, and promote digestive health. Lotus blooms are typically seen during the summer months, reaching their peak in tropical regions between June and September. The flower buds emerge on long stalks, rising high above the water surface. The lotus flower typically remains open for only 3 to 4 days. During this period, it exhibits protogyny, where the pistils mature before the stamens. This helps promote cross-pollination. A unique trait of the lotus is its ability to self-regulate its temperature, maintaining an internal temperature higher than the surrounding air. This warmth enhances the dispersal of its fragrance and provides an attractive, stable environment for its insect pollinators. Insects are drawn to the flower's warmth and intense scent. As they forage for nectar and pollen, they transfer pollen grains from the stamens of one flower to the receptive stigmas of another. The protogenous timing encourages insects to bring in outside pollen first. Following successful fertilization, the petals drop and the receptacle swells, encasing the lotus seeds. These seeds, protected by an extremely tough shell, represent the plant's sexual reproductive product and can maintain viability for an extraordinary length of time, sometimes centuries. The lotus root is the thickened, starch-filled subterranean rhizome, serving as the plant's energy reserve and primary method of asexual propagation. The lotus root is the thickened, starch-filled subterranean rhizome, serving as the plant's energy reserve and primary method of asexual propagation. Lateral buds on existing rhizomes or at the base of new plants begin to elongate into new, creeping rhizome segments just beneath the mud. As temperatures drop and light intensity wanes in the autumn, the lotus leaves begin to senesce and transfer stored nutrients, primarily starch, down into the submerged rhizomes. These rhizome segments swell rapidly, forming the segmented, thick, fleshy lotus roots we harvest. The segments are joined by constricted nodes, creating the characteristic chain-like structure. The starch-filled root allows the plant to survive harsh conditions, such as freezing temperatures or dry periods. When favorable conditions return in the spring, the dormant buds on the root break, producing new shoots and initiating the next growing cycle. In summary, the lotus's success is a testament to the synergy between its heat-generating sexual cycle and its robust, starch-storing asexual root development. Thank you for joining me to explore the profound natural science behind this iconic bloom.